Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in our today's class. Hope you all are fine. You know, lots of kids have trouble remembering times table, and learning timetables are difficult job to them. You know, I saw many kids often forget one particular table, that is table of 17. They just don't remember table of 17. Whenever teacher asked them and whenever it's needed, they just can't remember table of 17. So that's why today I am sharing with you a wonderful trick to remember table of 17 and to write table of 17 accurately and very fast within a minute. You know, whenever you learn this technique, you just can never forget to write table of 17. I assure you. Not only that, after this I am telling you how can you write from table of 1 to table of 10,000. Any table, how can you write accurately and within rocket speed. Okay, so let's see first how can you write table of 17 accurately and within a minute. So let's write table of 17. You know, for table of 17, you just need two basic tables, table of 1 and table of 7. The first thing is you have to write table of 1, okay? And table of 1 is very easy to write. Now after this, you have to write table of 7 beside table of 1 in this way. 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63 and 7 10s are 70. Okay? And 17 ones are 17, and now what we have to do? We have to add the tens place digit of table of 7 with table of 1. Okay? And the ones place digit we have to write as it is. How? Let me show you. At first 17 twos are, you can see that 2 and 1. We have to add 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and then 4. The ones place digit we have to write as it is. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and then we have to write 4. It's 34. You see 17 twos are 34. And the rest of the table we have to do in this way only. Okay, now let's do it. So 17 threes are 3 plus 2 is 5 and we have to write 1 as it is. So it's 51. Now 17 fours are 4 plus 2 is 6 and we have to write 8 as it is. So it's 68. Now 17 fives are 5 plus 3 is 8 and then 5. So it's 85. Now 17 6 are 6 plus 4 is 10 and then we have to write 2 as it is. So it's 102. Okay, now 17 sevens are 7 plus 4 is 11 and then we have to write 9 as it is. So it's 119. Okay. Now 17 eights are 8 plus 5 is 13 and then 6. So it's 136. And now 17 nines are 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15 and then we have to write 3 as it is. So it's 153. And 17 tens are 10 plus 7 is 17 and then we have to write 0 as it is. So it's 170. Okay. So this is table of 17 and we wrote this table. So whenever you learn this method, how fast you can write this table? Very fast, na? It is an amazing trick, you know. Now let me share with you how can you learn the table from 1 to 10,000 accurately and very fast with this course, the multiplication table course. I have created this wonderful course for you. And you know, in this course, you will learn tables from 1 to 10,000 in just 3 days. If you want to learn multiplication table in such a way, just enroll for multiplication table course. Okay? So see you in the class. Thank you.